Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyx, and for today's video I'll be showing you my go-to 5-minute makeup look and hair. If this is something that you are interested in, please consider to subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video, and comment down below. So let's jump right into the video. Firstly, at times you are on a rush. You may not have enough time to do a beat face or even get your hair done properly. You don't even have time to throw in your clip-ins extension because time is of the essence, hun, and you need to go right away. So I am going to show you my go-to makeup look that I always turn to whenever I'm in a rush and I gotta go, but I want to look decent out here in these streets. I want to look like I'm somebody's child, so I don't want to scare anybody out here. So I like to throw on this quick 5-minute makeup look and I can feel confident enough to walk around. So stick around to see how I accomplish this look. So first I'm going to go ahead and prep my face with the iconic London Prep Set and Glow Mist. I don't know about you, but for me, when I'm doing my face, I just want something very quick and easy, so I like to go in with this first before I apply the foundation. Then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in the shade 500C, and I really love this foundation because it's very hydrating for my dry skin. Since the foundation is on, nothing too fancy, just something to give me a tad bit of coverage and to even up my skin tone. So now I'm going to proceed with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chai and just apply it under my eyes. That's all. Whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going to apply it to my chin and set this immediately with the Fenty Beauty loose powder in the shade Honey. I'm going to use this concealer brush just to even out my eyelid area because it's a little bit dark. Now it's time to set the rest of my face with the MAC pressed powder in the shade Deep Dark. Now I'm going to just warm up my face a tad bit with the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mommy. For blush, I just like to use this palette from Juvia's Place. I have this for a long time. I should probably get rid of it, but this is all that I use whenever I'm in a rush because it has shades that you can use for blush, highlighters, and also if you want to bronze up your face a tad bit. So I like to go with this, and I'm going to use the shade Zane and Neo both together for my blush. I am going to just do my brows real quick, nothing special. I like to go with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Thick Brow Pomade, and I try to be a little bit more gentle because I am not going to clean them up with a concealer. I don't know her. I'm in a rush. I have no time for that, so I'm just going to try my best to be as precise as possible. Yep, I'm all done. Nothing special. I have no time, child. Now I'm going to line my lip with the NYX lip liner in the shade Cold Brew. For lips, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Cheeky. And for my eyes, I just like to go in with the same Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use this one right here, Abby. I'm just going to put that onto the lid area, that's all. So for mascara, I'll be using the KB Beauty Go Big or Go Home mascara. And I also like to top it off with some highlighter. So from the same palette, I'm just gonna go in with both these highlighting shades right here together to highlight, and that's it. And I like to spray my face again just to set everything in place and go in with my beauty blender, and that's it. And that's it from my face, and to me it looks pretty decent for a makeup that I accomplished 5 minutes or under. So this is my go-to makeup, and I think I look pretty okay. I won't scare anybody, so that's great. So for my hair, if I'm in a rush and I can't be bothered, I just part my hair down in the center and just comb it down and run through the door. Or if I have just a little bit more time, I can put my clip-in extension in. No flat iron, nothing, just lay it in and brush it out and go. And to me, you still look good. Yep, so I am all done with everything, and it took me 10 minutes or less to get ready, like take the quickest shower ever possible to mankind. Lotion, wash my face, throw on my second face, comb my hair down to run right through the door. So 10 minutes to get up and do everything from start to completion. And I just throw on this easy dress that I got from H&M. I also did a haul featuring this dress from H&M, so I just threw this on real quick. I just sprayed them with these white sandals and a shoulder bag, and I am good to go. I'll give you a headshot of how everything looks. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will consider to subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video, and comment down below. I will see you in my next one. Bye.